Boil millet for 10 minutes. Add pumpkin and bean curd and cook pin racer. Boil the following scallion flours. Sesame flour. 2 bowls of white noodles. Half a tablespoon of lye noodles. Stir well. Warm water at about 60 degrees Celsius. Stir to form a noodle floss. Name of a fast worker. Form a soft and firm dough. Let rise for 20 minutes. Sauté onion and garlic. Stir-fry the peppercorns. Stir-fry tomatoes with juice. Tofu, potato, carrot, garlic. Stir-fry for a while. Boiling water, salt, chicken essence, monosodium glutamate, pepper soy sauce, dark soy sauce. Bring to a boil and reduce heat. Wake up the noodles and smooth. Pull into small pieces. Put the noodle press. Press the noodles. Malata mayo. Malata boil for 2 minutes and pull out spinach soup. Oat noodles give way to strong and smooth flavor. This is the fried noodles I learned from a Sichuan noodle shop owner's wife. It's so delicious. I can't help but share it with you. Prepare fat and lean meat. Shredded cucumber and carrot onion, ginger and garlic. 2 tablespoons of bean paste is the soul of this sauce. Chop it into puree to enhance its texture. Add 2 tablespoons of soybean paste to increase the flavor of the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for flavor. Chicken essence and sugar, 1 teaspoon each. Add half a bowl of water and mix well. Mix a little water starch in another bowl. Heat the oil and fry the fat meat first. Then add the lean meat and stir-fry until browned. Add onion, ginger, and garlic. Pour in the sauce and mix well. Bring to a boil and reduce the heat to a simmer for 2 minutes. Thicken with water starch until thickened. Pour it over the cooked noodles and mix well. It's so delicious. Pork and potato vermicelli stew. Fry the pork until browned. Stir-fry onion, ginger, and garlic. Sautéed with pepper soy sauce for color. Stir-fry the potatoes evenly, jangly. Salt. Chicken essence, monosodium glutamate. Soybean sauce. Simmer for 5 minutes. Jangly iron pot, add vermicelli, and simmer for another 3 minutes. Sesame sauce. Bitter noodles. Sesame sauce in small quantities with warm water to dissolve. Add a little old pumpkin to adjust the color. Pound the garlic. Salt, soy sauce, vinegar, and chicken essence. Sugar secret peanut chili oil. Pour in the melted sesame sauce and stir well. Cook the noodles and run them under cold water. Add cucumber, scallions, and sauce. Add cucumber, scallions, and mix well.